Without air quality enforcement, the intent of clean air regulations wouldn't be realized. The enforcement of federal, state, and local air quality laws, regulations, and rules ensures that polluting sources are brought into compliance and emissions reductions are achieved. So who conducts air quality enforcement in California? CARB and local air districts share enforcement responsibilities across the state. CARB is primarily responsible for enforcing air quality programs related to mobile sources, fuels, consumer products, and greenhouse gas emissions, while local air districts primarily enforce those at stationary sources. Together, CARB and local air districts work to address issues within communities most burdened by air pollution. How is enforcement conducted? Enforcement investigations may include on-site inspections, data review, or surveillance. Sometimes air quality enforcement includes other state agencies. For example, CARB works with the California Highway Patrol to inspect certain on-road vehicles for emissions compliance, and the Department of Motor Vehicles to deny registration to non-compliant heavy-duty trucks. Investigations can lead to administrative, civil, or criminal enforcement actions. The majority of enforcement cases are resolved administratively between CARB and the violator. When an agreement cannot be reached, CARB may refer the matter to the Attorney General for civil litigation. In some cases, CARB may identify potential criminal violations. In those instances, the case may be referred to the Attorney General, a district attorney, or other prosecutors for criminal prosecution. Successful enforcement pays off in making sure that vehicles, equipment, and the products you bring into your home are in compliance with air pollution rules. Sometimes case settlements result in supplemental environmental projects, which are projects funded by pollution violators with the intention of improving the health and environment within communities. Did you know that you can help protect California's environment by identifying and reporting environmental concerns? You can. CARB enforcement staff work hard to make sure regulations are followed, but we can't do this alone because California is a big state. Your observations can provide valuable information that CARB and Air District staff can use to build an enforcement case. For example, if you see excessively smoking and polluting vehicles on the roadway, you can report that information to CARB. Or if you identify odors, dust, excessive smoke, or other air pollution concerns from a local business, you can report those to your local air district. Visit CARB's environmental complaints page to learn more. Enforcing the laws, regulations, and rules to ensure that polluting sources are brought into compliance is the goal of the California Air Resources Board and the state's 35 local air districts.